So here we're going to find the horizontal asymptote in these three different examples. So in the yellow box, it's going over the different conditions to figure out if the horizontal asymptote is at the x-axis, if it is somewhere else, or if there is no horizontal asymptote. And as it explains there, we are looking at the highest exponent in the numerator and the denominator and comparing them to figure out where that horizontal asymptote is. So if we look at the first problem here, we see that the highest exponent in the numerator is 2. So that means n equals 2. And the highest exponent in the denominator is 5. So in this case, n is less than m. If n is less than m, then the horizontal asymptote is the x-axis. So the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0. Let's look at the one on the far right in the pink box. So for this one, the highest exponent in the numerator is 5. So n equals 5. And in the denominator, the highest exponent is 4. So in this case, n is greater than m. So if n is greater than m, that means that there is no horizontal asymptote. Now let's look at the middle one. So for this one, the highest exponent in the numerator and in the denominator are both 3. When the highest exponent is the same in the numerator and the denominator, you need to use this formula to find out where exactly that horizontal asymptote is, because it is not at y equals 0. So to find that horizontal asymptote, it's always going to be y equals, and it says it's a over b. A is the coefficient in front of that first term with the highest exponent. So in this one, it would be 5. And b is the coefficient in front of the first term, so the term that has the highest exponent in the denominator. And so in this case, it would be 1. So for this problem, the horizontal asymptote is at y equals 5 over 1, which is the same as y equals 5.